Integrating modern technology with the wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine, scientists from the School of Chinese Medicine of Hong Kong Baptist University has conducted research on Chinese medicine from various aspects. Knowledge Transfer Office of Hong Kong Baptist University has produced an episode about Chinese medicine research and development with topics from herbs authentication, analysis, research to new medicine development for public understanding of Chinese medicine. Identifying the authenticity and quality of the herbs are prime elements before clinical application. To achieve this objective, Dr. Simon Han and his team from the School of Chinese Medicine of Hong Kong Baptist University developed a novel technology to authenticate herbs.
This is a convenient and low-cost method to efficiently authenticate the valuable Chinese herbal medicine, such as dangerfield officinale and cordyceps. The authentication method enables qualitative and quantitative analysis suitable for commercial use, particularly for Chinese medicine proprietors.
Understanding the pharmacological effects as well as mastering the biochemical and physiologic effects of Chinese medicine are essential for new drugs development. Professor Lehman and her team from the School of Chinese Medicine of Hong Kong Baptist University conducted a series of studies on the effectiveness of Chinese medicine in the treatment of dementia.
I found that Oncaria rhynchophila is very effective in treating Parkinson's disease, especially in improving the symptoms. Based on my clinical experiences, as well as a large quantity of literature reports for these herbs, our team studied its active ingredients and pharmacological effects.
Taking clinical safety into consideration, Professor Lee chose to conduct an in-depth research on Oncaria rhynchophila as it contains natural pharmaceutical ingredients.
The main bioactive ingredients in Oncaria rhynchophila are coranoxin B and coranoxin. These two bioactive monomers are efficient in the removal of alpha-synuclein protein, which is the major cause of Parkinson's disease. Oncaria rhynchophila can induce autophagy in neural cells and thus promote the clearance of alpha-synuclein protein aggregates. This finding had never been reported nor discovered.
A new drug for Parkinson's disease can be developed by combining different bioactive ingredients of traditional Chinese herbs. The School of Chinese Medicine of Hong Kong Baptist University does not only focus the study of pharmacological effects of herbs. Utilizing the latest technology, the school also dedicates to the study and improvement of traditional Chinese medicine formulations. Professor Li and her team discovered that Huanglian Jiedu Tang's formulation has therapeutic and pharmacological effects in Alzheimer's disease with extremely low side effects. The new drugs derived from this formulation brings hope to patients.
We found that the modified HLJDT promotes the degradation of amyloid beta peptide and tau aggregates for both in vitro and in vivo tests. It can also pass through the blood-brain barrier and clear the accumulation of these proteins, which is the major root cause of Alzheimer's disease.
Professor Lee's goal is to extract several major monomers in the formulation and create a new drug with molecular size for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease through the investigation of molecular interactions. The School of Chinese Medicine of Hong Kong Baptist University is also committed to develop new Chinese medicines to treat some incurable diseases like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS.
IBS is caused by many mechanisms. It is impossible to find one single drug that fits all the mechanisms. And that's why usually we need several medications to act together in order to solve various symptoms. Unfortunately, many of these drugs are also associated with some side effects. So I think from Western medicine perspective, at this moment, we don't have any effective treatment that can solve all these unmet needs. On the other hand, we respect that Chinese medicine is actually a very effective medicine that has been used for treatment of various digestive conditions for thousands of years. We believe that Professor Bian and his team is a very renowned research group in the field of Chinese medicine with expertise in treatment of digestive conditions.
In last 15 years, starting from 2002, we majorly study whether this formulation is effective and also safe for the IBS patients. In the stage 2 studies, we majorly follow the guidelines. We fulfill all the requirements from CFDA, and we successfully applied the clinical trial certificate.
All these examples illustrate that the School of Chinese Medicine of Hong Kong Baptist University is committed to providing citizens with high quality and safe Chinese medicines that are in line with international standards. We anticipate supports from citizens to Hong Kong Baptist University, resulting in benefits our society.